Hi creative friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley the Thrifty Chica, and today we're going to be talking about a brand new mystery box from Cricut. This one is called the Easter Egg Hunt Mystery Box, and it's kind of a celebration of all things spring and bright and colorful. It's about adding a little bit more joy to your spring. So let's go ahead and take a look at everything inside this mystery box, and before we do, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos, and if you like these videos, please give them a like. It really helps me out in the algorithm. So let's go ahead and take a look at everything inside this mystery box. So the first thing to note is how big this mystery box is. A standard size mystery box is usually closer to this size, so you can tell that it's quite larger than normal. So don't be surprised when it comes in the mail and it's a pretty good size box. So it also has packing and stuff inside the box. I took it out so we could get an easier look at everything. The first thing I want to talk about in this mystery box is a Cricut Cutie. And we're going to be getting the Cricut Cutie in the color Lilac. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. So as you guys can see, here is the color Lilac. It's a really beautiful color. I believe this one is a repeat color. So you may have in your collection if you purchased mystery boxes in the past. And it does really coordinate well with everything in this mystery box. Super cute for spring, and I just love this kind of light lavender color. So lovely. This is included as an extra in the mystery box. Let's get started talking about the stuff from, I'll start on this side and work my way that way. So the next item in this mystery box is a scoring stylus. If you have not picked up a scoring stylus before, these are awesome if you want to create a line on something like paper or cardstock, anything where you want to create kind of a fold. This helps you to create a fold without damaging the paper. It has a tip on it, but it's also kind of a rounded tip. So it helps you to press an indentation into things like paper and cardstock so that you can fold it and gives you a nice even result. And as you can see, this has the little arrow on here because you can add this to things like your Cricut Explorer machine or your Cricut Maker machine and change this tool in there so that you can use it in your machine to create those lines for you. So this is just an extra handy tool to have, and it works really well. This is not meant for the Cricut Joy, but it is meant for the Maker series and the Explorer series machines. So the next item in this mystery box is a gel pen set. This is the Milky Urban Rainbow. It's a 1.0 size. And this gives you a closer idea of what the actual dimensions look like when you draw. So it's not a super fine tip. This is a pretty good medium-sized tip, so it will really show up when you're working with it. If you like working with planners, if you like doing anything where you're like gift tags or cards, anything where you would add some drawing features on it, this would be perfect for it. And you can use these in your Cricut Explorer series machines. So your Cricut Explorer, your Explorer Air 2, you could use it in your Explorer 3 or your Maker or Cricut Maker 3 machines. This would be perfect for it, and really fun, bright, vibrant colors to this. The next item is permanent glossy vinyl. This is in the color Mint. And if you have not tried the permanent vinyl is great for anything that you would use outdoors, in weather where it's outside and would have sun or rain, those kinds of things. This works awesome for things like car decals. You can use them on tumblers and mugs. You can use it on so many different projects. It's great for home decor projects, such as if you want to add some words to a sign or maybe an outdoor sign. This would be really cute for spring. Take a wooden sign and write something cute on it like Hello Spring and use this vinyl. And this is great because it will last multiple years and give you a really nice quality. And I just love this color. Mint is one of my favorites. Next up in the mystery box is some Cricut vinyl. This is in light yellow. As you can see, it's a really pretty pale yellow. So it's not overbearing. It's a really great kind of pastel color yellow on this one. And this one is more of a standard vinyl on this one. The difference between the premium and the standard vinyl, the premium, you'll see that it tends to have a glossy finish. It's rated for longer lasting, and it tends to be a little thicker. This one is great for a variety of different types of projects here. You could use it on home decor. I would recommend this on something like inside for home decor. It would be really cute to make something like a bunny for spring, or just some really cute Maybe you can add some words to make a cute banner for indoors. That's where I would tend to use this as an indoor application. The next item is Cricut's Strong Bond Everyday Iron-On in the color Lilac, which matches the color of our Cricut Cutie. So there are their lilacs in there. This is such a pretty color. It coordinates really well with everything in the box. And if you have picked up some of the other mystery boxes, the last one had a darker purple. This would look so pretty combined with that. So just a really nice color, and Strong Bond Iron-On lasts 50 washes or more. It's guaranteed. It gives you really nice long-lasting results. Also, there is a set, the Sugar Berry Sampler. This is the Everyday Iron-On, and you get 3 different colors in here. So you get this really pretty light pink, you get the lilac, and you get a nice crisp white on there. So these are great. It's also Strong Bond, so you can pair these together. And as you can see, this has some of the purple that's in here too. So if you want to create like a really nice project, you can make purple the focus of your project and then use the other colors as accents, and it would just really give you a lot to work with there. Sugar Berry Sampler is one of my favorites from the samplers, also with the classic sampler. It's just really pretty, and it's something you can use pretty much all year round. Next up in the mystery box is a roll of Cricut infusible ink transfer sheets. There are 2 sheets in here. They're 12 by 12, and this is in the color Party Pink. So if you haven't tried infusible ink, it's really fun. This is great. I've been using this especially on Cricut's new infusible ink baseball hats. It turns out really, really well. So all you do is you take something that is a high percentage of polyester, or you can use some of Cricut's blanks that are already pre-made to work with infusible ink. It's similar to what people would call sublimation. So basically what it is there's an ink on this, and then you use heat to activate it. So you can transfer the design using heat, and it becomes a permanent design on the item that it's added to, such as a t-shirt, a hat. There's so many different ways that you can add infusible ink to different projects. So this is really fun to work with if you haven't tried it, and it is a really nice vibrant one. Also included is 2 sheets of Cricut's infusible ink in the color Rose Pink. As you can see, these would pair so well together. Wouldn't that be really lovely for spring? And I find when I'm using infusible ink on things like mugs or hats, t-shirts, bags, 2 sheets will really go a long way per box. So you really get a lot of use out of those because you only use like a small section at a time for most designs. So the last item in this mystery box is the Cricut Fabric Grip Mat. This is the standard width of the current mats, and then you have the extended length all the way to 24 inches. So it's 12 by 24, and this is awesome. The pink mats are great if you want to use with something like fabric. So there's a huge variety of fabrics that you can cut using your Cricut Maker machine, and some that you can cut using your Cricut Explorer series machines. This is awesome if you want to use it for something like a lighter faux leather, a light fabric. I tend to use it mostly for a bunch of different types of fabric. And because this is so long, you can do a lot of cutting if you're doing something like pre-made quilting patterns or sewing patterns using the Cricut Design Space. There's a ton of different things you can use just using the software to cut different designs. So you get one of these mats with it. So just as a reminder, everything that's in this mystery box, this is $59.99 on sale, and the retail value is $130.90. You also get this adorable Cricut Cutie in the color Lilac. I believe this is a repeat color. You get a scoring stylus for scoring things like paper and cardstock. You get some beautiful gel pens that you can use in your machines, as well as permanent vinyl in the color Mint. Light yellow vinyl, this is great for indoor projects. You get 2 rolls of Strong Bond Everyday Iron-On. One is a multiple set of 3 different colors, and this one is in the color Lilac. And you get 2 containers of infusible ink, one in the color Party Pink with 2 sheets, and then Rose Pink with 2 sheets. And you get this cool mat, which is really usable, and when you're done using it, just make sure to put your plastic cover back over it, and it helps to keep the longevity of it. Since it contains a Cricut Cutie, this mystery box is a Cricut Access exclusive only. And if you guys want to save the most, you can use my coupon code in the comment section. It'll be pinned along with my links. And that will help you to save 10% off of any order of tools, accessories, and materials, plus give you free shipping on orders over $50. So what I like to do is just add something small to the cart when I'm ordering a mystery box, and that way I can get the free shipping with it. So it just saves you extra, and you get a little bonus item that way too. You will also get 10% off as a Cricut Access member on your mystery box, so you automatically get that built in as a Cricut Access member. So I hope this helped you guys out to make a decision on whether you want this mystery box, and I think this is such a fun one to craft for spring. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!